Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts. What you're looking at here is how a tile roof is actually evaluated and repaired correctly. Most roofing systems do not fail across the entire roof. They fail in specific high water flow areas, valleys, flashings, penetrations, and transitions. Under Florida Statute 627.7011, insurance companies are not permitted to deny coverage based solely on the age of a roof. What matters is the condition of the roofing system. That means a properly inspected and properly repaired roof can remain insurable without unnecessary replacement. Our process focuses on identifying the true failure points, completely rebuilding these sections in their entirety, and restoring the roof system back to a structurally sound condition. This approach allows homeowners to extend the life of their roof, avoid premature replacement, and maintain compliance with insurance requirements through proper documentation and certification. Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation expert.